Mr. Speaker, sir, for full 4 days, the budget was discussed by honorable members in this House, but compared to previous year's criticisms, I wish to point out this year's criticism is rather mild. I do not know the reason for this. Perhaps the honorable members were satisfied that there was no taxation, that we had been spending large sums of money on welfare services, and that we could not have done better in view of the adverse seasonal conditions. Whatever it is, looking back on these 4 days, I must say that this year there is not that vigor and that vitality to the criticisms which we had expected from the opposition members. During the last 5 years, we have almost doubled our expenditure on a revenue account. The leader of the opposition may say that the money is spent on the services in the shape of salaries and allowances. Whatever it may be, it is necessary because the departments want more money, and we have been certainly providing larger and larger sums of money from year to year. Whether it is under welfare services or security services, we have been spending large sums of money. I think that honorable members must be satisfied that we have not neglected any of the departments. Every year it was being said that the government were spending more on police department or revenue department or some other department of the government. Dear sirs, we are in receipt of your letter, and as desired therein, we have sent to you by goods train the items of motor spare parts required by you. We enclose herewith the railway receipt and the invoice for the same. Please intimate to us immediately when the goods are received by you in good condition. We have thoroughly tested each item of the spare part before packing, and therefore we are sure that the items will be up to the specifications and hope they will be to your full satisfaction. We shall be glad if you can arrange for payment of the bill amount at an early date. We would also remind you about a sum of rupees 5,000 that has been outstanding for the last 6 months, and hope the clarifications furnished by us would have made the position clear. We request you to make payment of this outstanding amount also without any further delay. yours faithfully.